What's up my Pugnos? Andy with Tech Influence here, excited to share with you guys this content here. We've got the iPhone 15 Pro and we want to make sure that we have a case here that'll be able to give you drop protection, be able to give you shock proof, as well as water resistance. From the folks at Poetic, they've got this awesome Guardian case here to be able to accomplish all of those functions. With that said, this is equipped with Magsafe, so you can still have full function of your Magsafe capabilities while protecting your case with a full enclosure. With that said here, Poetic did sponsor this video and provide this to me complimentary. Check down in the description here for a link for the product pricing availability, especially during the holidays, you can get yourself a good deal. Let's go ahead and unbox this, demonstrate how to set it up, and show you what you're getting yourself into. Unboxing is super straightforward here. What I like here is it's made out of high quality material here that's tantamount to some of the competitors here in the market. This is a clear case with polycarbonate material, which is anti-yellowing, but it's also got here the ability to have scratch resistance, shock resistance, dust proof, that good stuff. Now, if you've got yourself a screen protector, you can opt into the case that allows you to have your screen protector. Otherwise, you've got a full enclosure here. Still allows for the touch and gives you that full enclosure. Coming up close, as you can see here, it's made to have that high quality material as I suggested here. You've got a nice protection here on the front to be able to give you that scratch resistance. And then on the back here, it's got that anti-yellowing and Magsafe touch here to be able to still utilize all those components. You've got a nice ergonomic grip all the way around the phone. You've got these raised bumpers to give you that drop grade protection, as well as a flap here for your IO, which is nice. Taking it out is super simple. All you do is peel it off here and it can clamshell open here just like that. We're gonna go ahead now and place the phone inside here. Best way to do it is I'm gonna opt into the one that has a screen protector friendly case. We're gonna go ahead and place the front on there. What's nice is you can see here that it doesn't bump up against the screen protector. It still allows for that clearance while still giving you the ability to have the insulation and separation here that gives you that drop grade protection. Placing it in here from the bottom, you kind of want to fit in the flap there for you to be able to fit it in there. And then you go ahead all the way around the piece itself and you lock it in place just like that. What's nice here is you can see that you've got that seamless transition from the front bumper here to the polycarbonate material on the back side here. And then you can see that really cool white titanium that you opted into, or whatever color that you opted into, still being able to have full functionality of the phone. I really like that. The down part here of this case is a little bit more thickness. It's probably 1/4 of an inch in total with both sides of the bezel, but it's nice here because it provides you that scratch protection on both sides. I like that. If you wanted to opt into something Magsafe related, I've got this 5,000 milliamp Anker battery, which is nice. It fits right on there. If you wanted something a little bit different, a little bit smaller, I've got one from Binks. This one will fit right on there as well. Press the button, it starts charging here, no problem, at 5 watts, which is nice. If you wanted to have something a little more content creation, you can go and slap on the SnapGrip here from the folks at ShiftCam. This is a great way here to have a wireless charging experience with a shutter button. You've got accessories here like this LED light. You got the tripod mount, all that good stuff. And it's an all-in-one solution, which I really like. Lastly, if you wanted something a little more portable, this is what I'm gonna bring on my travels here. I'm gonna go on a business trip soon. You can go and slap it on here. It charges at 5 watts. You can get your Apple Watch here, or you can go ahead and get your AirPods as well to be able to charge on the go, have this break down here, and have a really nice travel-friendly experience. With that said, my Pugnos, I think this is a great option here to be able to ensure that you've got that peace of mind when you have an active lifestyle. If your kids normally have your phone, or if you find yourself in the wilderness, this is a great way to be able to protect against those elements while giving you that peace of mind there. The folks at Poetic did sponsor this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out, guys. It does help out the channel. Otherwise, Andy with Tech Influence signing out. Thanks, guys. Bye.